Okay, so here is how you check projections. So you go to pitching potential. You want to choose your scout. Go to report. Open report. Open in browser. Copy all this data. And then go into the calculator. You have single input and batch input. Single input, you can type it in by hand. Terrible. Batch input's the way to go. And then paste all that in there. Press submit. Boom. You have pitching projections. When it comes to like war's not a good determination for pitching because it's a lot of based on their stamina. ERA plus is probably a better indicator of where the pitcher is in terms of performance on an individual basis. Because a war, they could be pitching, 300 innings of garbage baseball, but they're pitching forever. So, and then when it comes to hitting, we'll go to this. So hitting is a little bit different. So I don't have an example of this, but basically you're going to go in here, view, batting potential, scouting, and then report. You want to sort by defense because if any of these are 0, when you try to batch import, it's going to throw you an error and you're not going to be able to do it. So here's what you want to do. So then when it sorts it, it'll have the ones that aren't in, and you'll have to fill those in manually for the defensive players that don't have a defense entered. Open in browser. Copy all that. Back to the calculator. Batch input. Submit. Bada bing, bada boom. Again, this is war's not a great indicator. It's kind of defense, and hitting. If you want hitting only, OPS plus is the way to go. You can see Storm is the best bat on the team. Yeah, so that is how to use the OOTP calculator.